Hi, I'm Philip.
I'm Peter.
And this is a 3D printed underwater drone. But how is it possible that it can dive to even 85 meters underwater? How can you make it twice as fast with just one simple trick? And how do I build one?
The drone is called CPS-5, and in the CPS-5 online course, we've answered all of these questions.
But the DIY course is not only all of the 3D models, bill of materials, software and the documentation. We guide you through the entire building process with the assembly manuals. We explain the engineering behind all of the decisions with videos and diagrams and talk specifically how could you build it differently in every chapter. Yes, we've been working on this for basically 4 years.
After you finish the course, most importantly, you'll get the knowledge which we've gained while making about 14 prototypes of this drone. And it will definitely prepare you for all kinds of other engineering projects. But if you ever get stuck when making the CPS-5, you will have our full support. Of course, you'll also have a fully functional drone for all kinds of inspections, explorations, or just for fun.
If you need to try out the course first, sign up for the free sample now and get access to the entire bill of materials. In the sample, Peter also teaches you about the most important components which make the drone work underwater.
Cheers and have fun making underwater drones!